Sanbanani, guys. Welcome back to yet another video. So guys, Vuyokazi posts this on her status. It says, "Hey Hans, so I'm looking for a makeup artist who is based in Sandton or close by, available from the 28th to the 29th of September. Kindly plug your girl, DM or email me." And then I'm like, I'm on 28th, 29th of September. There's something that I remember being on the 28th to the 29th of September. Then I remembered her husband, Konje, said that he's going to be having some event around those days. So I decided to go back on that page and check, Uguti, is it just me or is it my mind playing games on me? So indeed, guys, when I went to go and check on the husband Usabelo's page, the event that he is having that we were talking about the last time is on the 29th of September. So it looks like Vuyokazi is preparing herself to actually be in Sandton around those dates to go and support her mans, you guys, because listen, she promoted this event on her statuses and on her stories rather, and a lot of people went to this Instagram page and they commented that, listen, we are going to come just because we want to support Vuyokazi, you guys. The place is also around Sandton, so listen, it matches. So she's definitely looking for a makeup artist for that specific day. That event is on the 29th. So if you're interested in going, guys, here you have it. There's your confirmation that your girl Vuyokazi is going to be indeed there at that event. So if you want to meet your fave, this is your opportunity. I did check how much are the tickets for this event, and I saw the cheapest one starts at 450 per person. And it has different packages. The highest one, it goes all the way up till 1.8 for a ticket, you guys. I also double checked there because I saw there was someone actually on that page who actually said something about it's going to be a husband's birthday or her birthday, and she wants to surprise her husband by buying a ticket or something like that. And then the person was like, I really love Vuyokazi. Like, is Vuyokazi going to be there? And the page, I don't know if the page is run by Usabelo, which I doubt. They responded and they said, Vuyokazi is definitely going to be there. So they confirmed as well. I mean, Vuyokazi has to be there, you guys. She can't let so many people go and support her man, and then na chigi chigi, she's not him. So the conversation went something like, that's on my birthday, that's on my birthday, the 29th of September, would love to come. Then the page responds and says, we would love to celebrate your birthday at the event with you. Then the girl responds and says, we'll definitely come, would love to meet Vuyokazi if she's going to be available. The page responds, all tickets are on sale if you get them before the 15th of August. And then they respond, she definitely will be there. So there you have it, you guys. A lot of people have been saying, we want to see the couple for the first time. We want to see them for the first time. This is a pure opportunity to see the couple live for the first time. And we don't know if there's going to be other opportunities. But anyway, guys, lento ihamba ngama levels. She no longer attends Amarkum events. Now she's attending business events, you guys. Like, listen, standards, levels, bars have been raised. I'm joking about that, but there's a truth in that. Anyway, tell me what you guys think. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.